Here is the big tree in my backyard. I've already put a rope up there using a bow and arrow. Oh, another problem.
You go on the back side?
Back cut. 2 cuts. Left side. Right side. 2 minutes. Keep tension.
Yep. I saved your car, mate. I saved it.
Thank you. Right?
Yeah. Oh, way.
Thanks, George. This is the puppy down. See, missed the car. George is driving. What do you reckon? It's got to be, I don't know, 120 foot?
Easy.
35 metres?
Easy.
40? This is my big stump that I'm trying to remove. It was about a 140, 150 foot tall bluegum tree, and it's leaving a stump that's about 3 to 4 foot across one way and close to 5 foot the other. It's got some damn big roots coming off it too. So my plan is to chainsaw through the roots and detach them from the stump and then try and maneuver the stump out. Tools required: chainsaw, shovel, teenage boy. So, time to start burning out this stump. Always could do with a bit of help. Extra air. Try and get these passageways. There we go. Try and get those working. I've chainsaw cut into the sides. It really gets some heat in, that little air blower. It's great. What I'm trying to do is get these chainsaw cuts in the side operating as like flues and you know, a rocket stove type principle. It's not working for me yet, but give me some time. So it's been burning for about 4 or 5 hours now, and have made some good progress with those chainsaw cuts down the side. It's really burnt well into those, widened them up, and that's pretty good. So I'll give it one last blast with the blower and then leave it overnight. Come back in the morning. And here we are about 24 hours after it started. Burned all night. I had to rebuild the fire this morning, add a bit more timber, give it a blow, and now we've got a pretty decent hole in the middle. So I'm going to keep adding fuel, give it a bit of a blow, and keep going. Here we are just before evening on the second day. So it's been burning for about 24, maybe 28 hours. Stacked the middle pretty tight with some scrap wood that I had around the place. A mixture of old timber and old logs that I can't burn. Got the inside nice and glowing. So that should give me a good burn overnight again, and hopefully get even more of this stump burnt away. Pretty happy with the progress for a bit over a day's burning. Here's the stump on the second morning after starting the burn, and I'm pretty happy with the progress. I've burnt out most of the middle, and now I'm just left really with three I guess large chunks connected to the roots. You can see the middle's totally burnt out, and there's a few nails from some of that timber I was burning, but with a wave of the magic speaker magnet we can pick all those up. And this is the result, 2 days after I started burning. It went out this morning, so about a day and a half of actually burning, and then another couple of hours today just doing a bunch more digging and some chainsaw cuts, and removed what I could, and so I'll be able to now use those bits and burn out the two main bits left. And finally, after lots of digging, hosing down, some more chainsawing, more digging, more hosing, pumping it out, more digging, more hosing, more chainsawing, I'm down to just one bloody big chunk of stump, and I've exposed most of the roots of that, I think, pretty well. So you can see lots of holes underneath, so it'll be good for burning or more chainsaw cutting. So I'll now just probably have a crack at chainsawing a bit more out, and then have a big stump burning party with all the bits of stump. And there you have it. Finally, the damn stump is out. All the roots cut through. We're well below ground level. We've got a good pile over there from the stump. So I'll just wait for those pieces to dry out, put them back on top of the few roots that are in there, and have a big stump fire, burn what I can down to ground level, and then fill the hole with a bobcat, I think, not by hand. That was hard work, making quite a big mound by hand, digging everything out, but I'm buggered if I'm putting it back. And the last part of the stump burning task is on. I've already burnt out this part over here, and now I'm burning the last part of the in-ground over there, and then I'll be done. So that pile should go down by this afternoon, early evening, and then I'll have nothing left but a big hole in the ground, well below the remaining ground level. Fill it in with a bobcat, not by hand, not like I dug it out